Welcome to News Today with WDW News Today. I'm Tom Corliss. Here now the news for August 2nd, 2021. The Walt Disney Company is informing their employees and cast members that they are now requiring all salaried and non-union hourly employees in the United States to be fully vaccinated. Employees have 60 days to get vaccinated if they are not yet. All new hires will need to be fully vaccinated before being employed. Disney is communicating with unions regarding union employees as well. Those currently working remotely will need to provide proof of vaccination before returning to the workplace. That being said, the work from home calendar has been extended, and certain exemptions do apply, likely for those who are immunocompromised or unable to be vaccinated. Disney is working on creating a plan for their employees outside the U.S., which include those at Disney parks. I'm anxious to see how that works in France, because I don't think with labor laws in France you could do anything of that sort, but we'll see what happens. I know the comments are going to light up for this story. I'm just going to let them go. Be kind to each other, please. Showtimes are now available for the new fireworks spectaculars coming to Magic Kingdom and Epcot beginning October 1st. The schedule is currently posted through October 16th. Disney Enchantment at the Magic Kingdom will be at 9 p.m. on October 1st through the 4th and 8 p.m. on October 5th through October 16th. Disney Enchantment, of course, is replacing Happily Ever After as the new fireworks spectacular at Magic Kingdom. Harmonious at Epcot will be at 9:45 p.m. on October 1st through the 16th. Harmonious, of course, is replacing Epcot Forever as Epcot's new permanent nighttime show. Disney has provided a first look at the merchandise coming to Walt Disney World for the resort's 50th anniversary. More details of this merchandise collection will be revealed on Friday by Disney. That's August 6th. Of course, last week we caught a glimpse of the 50th anniversary Spirit jersey and ear headband during a promo shoot at the parks, but now we're getting these little teases. It looks like we're getting a new soap, another one of those Mickey soaps, which is great. There's that vintage plate art, which I love because that's what we want. That's what I think. What this merchandise says to me so far is everyone's going to get what they want, right? We've got this cool-looking vintage thing for the hardcore fans. We've got this cute-looking, kind of iridescent Mickey ear hat that they previewed, which is good for everybody. There's some sort of Cinderella Castle statue or cookie jar with the 50th icon, which is great. And last but not least, there's that hand soap, which, they're amazing. So it's great they're going to make more. Again, Friday, we'll get to see all of it, I think. The next member of the Disney Fab 50 collection of character statues coming to Walt Disney World for the 50th anniversary has been announced, and it stars one fabulous feline. Direct from Wonderland, it's the Cheshire Cat, who will have a statue at Magic Kingdom. Walt Disney World President Jeff Volley made the announcement on his Instagram account, accompanied by two cast members, Ben, who has been working at Walt Disney World since 1971, and Latara, who's been working there for 2 years, the two opposite ends of the spectrum. Represented. Of course, we have the full rumored list, and this is another check on our rumored list, by the way. The Cheshire Cat was one we had written there. So check out that rumored list of all 50. We think we figured it out at WDWNT.com. Summer may still be shining, but autumn is just around the corner, and we're already thinking about Halloween, probably because the first Boo Bash is like a week away. With the onset of August, the first fall decor has arrived on Main Street, USA at the Magic Kingdom. Autumnal bunting now lines the roofs of many buildings. For now, the bunting is all that has been hung, but we expect more fall and Halloween decorations to go up as the days progress. A new addition to the menu at Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe is a little chocolate bundt cake with a purple icing drizzle for $5.49. We stopped by to give it a try, but mostly to see sunny eclipse, of course. Check out our review at WDWNT.com. Oh, bundt little cake. That's not the song. With the International Food and Wine Festival in full swing at Epcot, there's plenty of merchandise to shop from to celebrate this year's event, including pins. We even spotted a new mystery pin set featuring our favorite purple dragon and apparently culinary expert, Figment. Each pin shows Chef Figment enjoying a dish from each of the countries featured in World Showcase. There's a total of 11 Chef Figment themed pins in the collection. Each box contains 2 randomly selected ones. They're very cute. Nighttime spectaculars have returned to Disney's Hollywood studios with last night's showing of The Wonderful World of Animation. Projection mapping on the Chinese theater takes guests on a journey through 90 years of animation from Walt Disney Animation Studios, and Pixar for that matter. The show has even been updated to include movies such as Soul, Currently, The Wonderful World of Animation is scheduled to show nightly at 9 p.m., but that is always subject to change, so be sure to check an entertainment schedule. You can watch the full video of the show right here on our YouTube channel. Personally filmed by moi. The first plots have been cleared of grass and plants for the Disney Fab 50 gold character statues. We saw a couple of plots at Disney's Hollywood Studios. A circle was cleared in a grassy area, and a less obvious space was cleared in another spot. The Disney Fab 50 statues will be part again of the world's most magical celebration beginning October 1st. And again, you can check out that full list on our site. But Joe Gardner from Soul is going to be one of the ones at Hollywood Studios. Will he be in one of these spots? Only time will tell. Visitors of the studios will be glad to know there's another quick service dining option now available at Catalina Eddies. If you're looking for a quick stop on Sunset Boulevard, Catalina Eddies can be found next to Rosie's All-American Cafe in the Sunset Ranch Market. Catalina Eddies serves personal pizzas, Caesar salad, breadsticks, and beverages. If you hate pizza rizzo, same stuff in a different place. We've been seeing a lot of refurbishments happening as we approach that 50th anniversary, and now Toy Story Land at Hollywood Studios has begun to receive a fresh coat of paint. The bridge near Slinky Dog Dash has had the surface and rails repainted. The blue, orange, and yellow are bright and bold once more. Unfortunately, repainting is often needed around the parks due to the fading from the bright Florida sun. 2 kiosks outside of Slinky Dog Dash have also returned, and they are freshly repainted. They brought back the drink or an ice cream stand across from Toy Story Mania, and as well that little merchandise kiosk that looks like a toy dump truck. That's back too. It's a new month, so there's a new limited edition cookie available at Gideon's Bakehouse at Disney Springs. August cookie of the month is the Rocky Road, made with a base of 5 kinds of chocolate, semi-sweet and dark chocolate chips, double-baked whole candied almonds, and a pile of marshmallows for $6. The review on our website. Additionally, with this month's menu, Gideon's will debut an evening-exclusive version of the coffee cake cookie called the Dark Coffee Cake Cookie, and it'll be available at sunset until it sells out or the bakehouse closes. According to employees, that evening cookie will debut sometime this week. The Ganachery at Disney Springs is a brand new Jungle Cruise-inspired Pinata, a specialty chocolate treat that guests get to break open before eating. Guests visiting Walt Disney World may see a display for the Adventurer's Pinata near the Jungle Cruise merchandise at World of Disney. Each pinata comes with a small wooden mallet for breaking. The Adventurer's Pinata is milk chocolate sphere filled with a wild mix of marshmallows for $28. Yeah, nothing says wild like marshmallows. You can read the full review at WDWNT.com. We did like this. It was fun. It was a fun treat. In October, Walt Disney World will implement extended evening theme park hours for guests staying at deluxe resort hotels, deluxe villas, and other select hotels. With extended evening hours, guests will be able to enjoy attractions, shops, and dinings at select theme parks on select nights. The first 4 dates for these extended hours have been announced. On Monday, October 4th, it'll be Epcot from 10 to midnight. On Wednesday, October 6th, Magic Kingdom from 9 to 11. On Monday, October 11th, Epcot from 10 to midnight. And on Wednesday, October 13th, Magic Kingdom again from 9 to 11 p.m. Guests attending extended evening hours will need a valid resort ID, valid admission, and a theme park reservation for the same park on the same day, or a ticket with a park hopper option, provided they entered the park with their reservation earlier that day. Early park entry again begins October. With the latest discount extension for Disneyland Resort Legacy Pass holders, we theorized that Disneyland's new frequent visitor program would be announced soon, and well, we now know the name. It is the Magic Key, and more details will be announced on tomorrow, August 3rd. Obviously, we don't have a show again until the 5th, so if you want to get the latest, if you want to know the second that's announced, please follow us on social media or read the site tomorrow, because they're going to announce it tomorrow. Give Kids the World has officially announced the return of their hit holiday event, the Night of a Million Lights. The event will run on select nights from November 12th through January 2nd. Give Kids the World, located in Kissimmee, provides families with critically ill children an all-inclusive week-long vacation. Everything from meals to transportation to theme park tickets are included during their stay at one of the villas. It began last year while the village was closed due to COVID. This year, the village is open and hosting Wish families, so there are a few operational changes. Last year, the village was decked out with over 3.2 million lights donated by the Walt Disney World Resort. This year's event will feature a spectacular dancing light show, a tram tour with storytelling, a holiday marketplace, enhanced food and beverage and merchandise offerings, a dazzling tree trail, and more. While last year was a self-guided walking tour, a portion of the event will only be accessible on the tram this year. And also new this year are add-ons, including a VIP tour and VIP dessert parties. Tickets are on sale now at gktw.org. When Disney Cruise Line's newest ship, the Disney Wish, launches next summer, it'll not only bring tons of fun for little ones and activities to share as a family, but some fun for adults too, looking for a quiet escape from the hustle and bustle. In their continuing YouTube series, Designing the Disney Wish, Disney announced several adults-only areas of the ship. The Senses Spa will feature DCL's first ever outdoor spa experience, the Outdoor Oasis. This will be an extension of the signature rainforest experience found on the other cruise ships. The Untangled Salon is the first standalone salon experience aboard a ship. With blooming petal light fixtures, floating lanterns, sun emblems on tables, and purple chairs, this Tangled-inspired salon will feature haircuts and styling, as well as manicures, pedicures, teeth whitening, and skin treatments. All things seen in the movie Tangled. The companion to the Untangled Salon is Hook's Barbery, a unique twist on the traditional European men's salon, offering cuts, shaves, and nail and skin care. And no Disney Cruise Line ship is complete without a classic pub, and on the Wish it will be no exception. The Kagan Compass Pub celebrates the adventure and romance of the sea, designed in the rustic architectural style of a late 1800s Norwegian sailor's map room and drawing inspiration from the rich folklore of Norse seafaring. Nightingale's Piano Bar features a selection of wines and handcrafted cocktails, and as the Disney Wish features Cinderella prominently in her design, Nightingale's is a specific reference to the song Sing Sweet Nightingale, which Cinderella performed more beautifully than her stepsisters while scrubbing the floors of the house. The chandelier above the piano pays homage to that sequence from the film, with a swirl of pearlescent bubbles and music notes displaying the song's melody, meticulously crafted out of shimmering rose gold. This is a thematic extension of the Grand Hall from which guests will enter the bar. The last newly announced lounge from the video is the Bayou. The informal lounge is themed to The Princess and the Frog and features creative cocktails, specialty coffees, and signature beignets. The video also gives a deeper look at the Beauty and the Beast themed restaurant complex and the Star Wars themed hyperspace lounge already announced. This month's new series of Wishables Plush, coming soon to Shop Disney and the Disney parks, is inspired by my personal favorite, Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. The plush will be available on Shop Disney on August 4th. The series includes the Tiki Room hosts Jose and Pierre, a winking Dole Whip, and a Tiki drummer. As with other collections, there will be a fifth Wishable plush available outside of a mystery pack. We don't know who it is yet. For more information on these stories and more, head on over to WDWNT.com. This program is brought to you by our official travel agent sponsor, The Vacationeer, the engineers of your next magical vacation. Sit back and let their team of vacation planning experts craft your family's next trip. The best part, their services are free. Hotel, park tickets, dining, and more. Visit WDWNT.travel for details. The Vacationeer, the official travel agency of WDWNT. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to like this video, subscribe to WDW News Today on YouTube for more great content, and click the bell for notifications. Also, make sure to hit select all notifications so you never miss an episode of the show. Of course, don't forget to shop with Carousel Products at carouselproducts.com. I have our latest shirt right here. It is 12 flags over Epcot. It's great. It's only $20 and it's available now. Go grab it again at carouselproducts.com. We have lots of great stuff over there. For the worldwide leader in Disney Parks news, this is Tom Corliss saying, enjoy the rest of your today. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Welcome to Deep in the Plus. Each week, join host Rob Whiteside and a panel of Disney superfans as they take a different movie or TV show from the Disney Plus catalog, tell you its history, details, give their review, and let you know if it's worth your time. Current shows, classic movies, and everything in between. Watch Deep in the Plus live Tuesday nights at 9 Eastern for new episodes. Or catch Deep in the Plus anytime on YouTube at unplannedDowntime.com.